Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are using Claude Code, you have probably run into this situation before. Whenever you give Claude any task, it works on it, completes the command, and then start waiting for your next input. The problem is Claude often waits silently. So, if you are working on another window or attending a meeting or just simply away from keyboard, then the whole workflow gets interrupted. But don't worry, there is a simple solution. So, in this video, I'll show you how to set up custom notification so that whenever Claude finishes its task and waiting for your input, you will be immediately notified by an alert so that you no longer need to switch back between terminal to check whether Claude is done. So let's get started. So to set up your custom notification, I'm using item 2 in my Mac. So first let's check your .claude folder. So it's there in all the it's so to set up your custom notification, I'm going to use item 2 in my Mac. To set up the instruction, first let's open your .claude folder where you have all the settings for your Claude. So first we'll check settings.json. It should be there by default in your system. In this we have to focus on these hooks. So we are going to set up two hooks. One is notification and stop. And these hooks will be triggered whenever there is any command. And on that command, we are going to trigger this script. So we create one hooks folder inside our .claude, and within the hooks we'll create one notify.sh script. So basically this script like goes through like whenever there is any situation when Claude needs your input or whenever it finishes a task, it will trigger a alert in your system. And for the alert, it uses the title of your terminal window. So let me show you how this works actually. First of all, let's create one item to window and name it give it some title. Let me call it good morning. So we can see its title is good morning. Let's open one more item window and we can name it mm, new git repo, let's say. So now we'll see how like whenever we do any operations using Claude, how it will give me notification based on the title. So as name say, no new git repo. So let me ask Claude to create a new repository. Me and in my another window, let me again open the Claude and let's say hi. Now we'll see. Now let's go to some other window and let's see we have notification. So from good morning terminal, I got a alert like it asking me what can I help you with today. And from new git repo, I'm getting a notification. It needs for my permission. So we can like let me see here all notification and let's go here. So now we can see whenever we click on a particular notification, it's lending me to that link terminal only. So now I can see it's asking me where should the repository live. Let's say local only, my project. Let's keep it everything and submit the answers. Similarly, we can go to our good morning tab as well by clicking on the good morning notification and see what it is waiting for. So it says, hi, it's completed its what can I help you with today? Again, we saw like we get a notification new git rep from new git repo because it's still waiting for some more permission. So it's asking me change directory before running git, which can execute untrusted hooks, approve only if you trust it. So let's say I say yes. So in this way, you can continue working on your other tabs or on your other task where you will get the notification from your terminals if Claude needs any permission. For any question, please put it in the comments. I'll try to answer it as soon as possible. And if you want to access it to notify.sh, then you can head back to the GitHub link that I have attached in the description, custom alert notification. For that, you open your .claude, update your settings.json, and add these hooks in your file. If you don't have, then just copy paste. If you already have some pre-hooks, then you can merge these hooks in your own. And just, yeah, try out this feature and let me know your comments. Thank you.